Hello guys, welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And I've already solved two puzzles, the two regular puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper of, Tuesday, February the 27th, 2024. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, let me continue with this regular puzzle, the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, number 8085. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. 16. It should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Well, I think it's a 1 star, maybe 2 stars. For 1 star need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. I see here only 1 single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here dual box, there dual box. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box, contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. So the 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be, and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? I see here quadra box, there quadra box. Well, contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Here another quadra box. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. This box can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. And my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, here we have another one, but mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Only 1 T shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here then. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also a 1. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Oh. Yeah. D shape. Let me. Okay. This shape remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. Then this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay, I need to wait here. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box, should be so 3 and 4 is connected with that box, should be so 3 and 4. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes around the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Is connected with that box, should be so a 2. Alright, this box can be a 1. This box can be a 5. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 is left in this area. For number 4 is connected with that box, should be so 4. And 1 box left in this area. For number 3, these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 1, 3 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. And now these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box, wait. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. These 3 boxes around the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here and the 5 goes there. I mark this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now. So it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. So 2 numbers left in this cross area. For numbers 4 and the 3. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright, now. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area are numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So And that box can also not be a 3. So the only place left for the 3 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. And 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4. And the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 to 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area are the numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there, finish in 10 minutes. Well. 1 star, well, it should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 14 and 30 minutes. Publish more, not so, too easy. This is too easy. More complicated puzzles, please. But I've enjoyed this puzzle. So if you enjoy this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Tuesday.